As you can see, let me show you. Actually, right here, that thing cracked right here. So this is garbage, and they're actually expensive alternators. What's up, guys? Welcome to the Aries Motor, home of the quick and easy, where nothing is quick, definitely not easy. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Old man, right here, Fiat 500, didn't kill a car. So what happened was, it died, it cracked. Actually, the alternator cracked. So old man had to actually take it out first and take it to the shop or to buy a new one, because there's two kinds. There's 105 amps and there's a 120 and the core charge too. So he's gonna install that one. The one that was on, it's already missing, it's already out. So if you want to reverse engineer, you're gonna be able to do so. So first thing first, you're gonna have to do, you're gonna have to remove the little cover, plastic cover. No need?
No, just I take before to see
Which side it is?
no, it was just for belt, serpentine belt.
Oh.
Document any plus and minus. No.
First thing first, remove.
Yes, reconnect one.
There we go. You're gonna have to remove cover that goes underneath, and this is the side cover too. To gain the access.
See, and I take this cover. You see, I open. Yes, I take this cover. See, I take this cover down. And you need to take this bracket. And that's all. Do not take this and I move. I take and I move like this. You need to move to have room for a belt tensioner. And now we put up. You need to take the bolt for a bolt joint. I take yesterday everything to see which. That's a,
Do you know what size that bolt is?
that's a 15.
15 millimeter.
Yes, 15 millimeters. Bolt. Yes, I think. That's a 17.
Oh, it's 17.
That's a 17. You see, you need to take down. Take the down. Take the. Let's see, take down. I move it like this. To move, to open a room for take this alternator. Check, you see, and I move this rubber. Now after we show. And I take the bolt for motor mount down. You see, to move. You see, to move the engine.
For alternator.
To put alternator inside, you take outside.
Sounds like an Italian job.
Probably that, or axle shaft. If you don't take axle shaft, you open and move.
So like we said, you can reverse engineer afterwards. So whatever he does last, you do first. Whatever he does first, you do last.
That's a first. That's why I take first.
I know.
Take first. Two. That's a three bolt for alternator. That's 13.
13 millimeters.
Yes, 13 millimeters. Same 3 bolt. Look this. We need to put this back. See that? You need to move the
Engine.
engine. See? See, Goldie? See? Let's go inside. Look on this side. See this side? Let's go inside on this. How does it? Is it turn? Okay. See this ball, put this ball first in top and go to.
We got 2 bolts right
Yeah,
there,
that's
and
easy.
the one is on top. We have an engine right here sitting, say I can't show you on the Fiat, but I can show you right here. So this is the 1, 2, and then there's a 3 where the 1, 2, 3. That's where alternator goes.
See that, so you need to use a 13 like this.
With a swivel head, that extension.
My good life.
This side.
For this side.
Because you're gonna have to go above the alternator. A little bit in English, please.
Two. Look this. And yeah, I use. Look this. I show you.
That's a one long extension.
Look, 13. Look on this bolt. Look this bolt. On side. That's it.
Those are 3 bolts.
3 bolts and put. Look this side. Now you have room to put the cables and everything. See cable?
Yeah.
That one is 8 millimeter. You go in top. No nuts. Need to find where is the nuts. That's the original. Put it there. You need first put the back there. Just in top. First 8. Look, I have to take the 8 socket and put in this.
8mm. You
Yes.
put it inside. And then slowly.
First by hand. Tight. Tight. Now we put 13. See this? Look this.
Red one right there.
So 12. Use it.
So it's a 12mm.
12 minutes. That's it.
Alrighty.
That's an alternator. Just I show something. You see before, this is rubber, and here I moved to take out. But I need to move back. I finished put the ball joint back. Put the ball joint back. Put the bolt. Now, put the bolt on the back. A little piece. Remove. Now we put back the that's a rubber we put back. See, same.
Yep, it's
Same like before. Now we put a cover. See? That's a, oh, belt. Can you forget? For belt. Oh, fold. That's it. You check to sit. think so, yes. We start to see. Start the car. Now it's okay. Everything okay. Everything okay. You put that. This for this. Single. That's the one I set up. See, that's a valve bolt is broken. Somebody before put a zip tie. Zip tie. We put it safe.
Alright, and that would be it.
Please take that.
That would be it. Thanks for watching. See you next video.